Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU presents Macy's. Yes, it's the Macy's box for October of 2019. Before we get started, I want to welcome everyone for being here today. If you're new, if you're returning, thank you so much for being here. I am truly grateful for it. I am so close to 1,600 and I am so close to getting monetized. Although monetization doesn't really matter, it's like pennies or something, but still, just reaching that goal means a lot to me. So if you haven't already, if you're playing my playlist, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I have two playlists, a 5-hour and a 10-hour. If you play those, I'll be greatly appreciative. I just want to get that to that goal, and then once I get to that goal, then it's a fly-by-night type of thing, you know. It is what it is. But anyways, let's get started. So we're gonna open up Macy's. This is exactly what you see when you open the box. It's actually kind of big this month, and I think there's no bag, from my understanding. That we're gonna stop putting bags in here. So let's see. Oh, so we got our little pamphlet that goes in the garbage, and it always comes in this hot pink colored tissue paper. Always does. And again, it comes with a pamphlet. It comes with the $5. This one comes with a $5. Last month was a $10 gift card. $5 off any purchase of, let me make sure, what is it? $5 off your next beauty purchase. So even if it's $20 and save $5, I think even if it's 15, you save $5. So that's kind of good. For those of you that are not familiar with a Macy's beauty box, it is a monthly subscription box, and you'll continuously get billed until you cancel. It is $15 a month, and like I said, they give you a $5 coupon, so it brings your box down to $10. That's only if you use the coupon. So let's get started. Let me know in the comment section down below if you get this box, if you like their boxes, you think their boxes are getting any better. Do you feel that they're going down the hill and you're going to be canceling this box? So far, so good. I enjoy this box a lot. Especially they give you some very good items every month. And, you know, they're deluxe sample sizes. So even if you don't like it, you can give it away, or you can say, you know what, I'm never going to buy the full-size product because I tried the sample and it didn't agree with me, you know? So let's see. I'm going to try to do this in order of the way they're in here. So where is it? Okay, so we have an Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. Ooh. So that's what that looks like. It is 0.5 fluid ounces, which is a nice size deluxe item. So reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in as little as 2 weeks. This plant-based formula will have you looking younger regardless of your skin type. You'll never guess how much the full-size product of this is. $78. Are you freaking kidding me? I wonder how much you get in a full-size item. But it's $78 for a full-size item of this. Wow. You know, Macy's can be a bit pricey. They do have luxury skincare, but not all skincare is equal, and you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get the same results. So just throwing that out there. Again, Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum, 0.5 fluid ounces, and they're full size. This is just a deluxe sample. The full size is $78. The next item I am pulling out of our lovely box. Wait, what does it say here? Sorry, I'm going backwards. Who needs candy when you're getting spoiled with makeup and skincare? Ethically sourced, each is made with a healthy you and environment in mind. A $60 value. So this box is a $60 value in deluxe sizes. Okay. So the next item we're getting is the Bare Minerals Deluxe Mineral Veil. The full-size product is $24. I don't know, do I have any Bare Minerals powders? I have tons of powders. I don't want to open this and waste this because I will be doing like a video on all my Maybe I might do a video with all my palettes. We'll go through all the powders I have and all the foundations I have, so forth and so on. So that's what that looks like. That's the back. And that's the front. It is sealed. Like I said, I don't want to waste it because I might give this away. Don't mind my nails. I just took them off today. The next item is the LMS Superfood Facial Wash. Do we get something like this in another box? Like the full-size one? Anyways, this is made with kale, avocado, and more. And the full-size item is $25. Like I said, I don't know what a full-size is. This is a 1 fluid ounce. So I don't know what a full, maybe 3 ounces is $25. I don't know. Is this sealed? I know I will be using this for sure. Oh, good thing I took off my fake nails, because it'd even be harder for me to pull the sticker off. I was ready to put this in my mouth. And I tell my kids, don't use your mouth to open stuff. Oh, this smells good. I smell something. What do I smell? Is it tea tree? Kale, wheatgrass, carrot seed oil, rosemary. I smell something. Like it smells green. You know what I mean? It smells green. So that's the wash, which I'm excited to try that. Okay, so the next item is a pure no filter blurring photography primer. The full size is $33. This is just a sample. Now, because it has the 2 little dots over the U, do you still pronounce it pure? Huh, let me know in the comment section down below if I'm saying it wrong. So this is a blurring photography primer. I have a lot of these as well. So I don't know if I'll be keeping this one or giving this away. I have lots of primer. And actually my favorite right now is the Ofra primer. I digress. You know, I'll be doing a video on that. But I put it on today and I really like it. So no filter pure blurring photography primer, full size, $33. The next thing is the Kojendo. Is that how you say that? If I'm not saying that correctly, let me know. Oh, this is the same company that makes those wipes I had complained about in another box. Oh, what were the wipes called? They were a cleansing wipe and they came in a red like packaging. Those were awesome. They were pricey. They were freaking awesome. So these have to be the same thing. What's in them? There's little specks in them. Chemical free and extra thick, these aren't your average cotton pads. They exfoliate while still being gentle enough for sensitive skin. 100% natural cotton and 100% amazing. 60 pieces is $15. The pads can be used to apply makeup and skincare or wipe them off just the same. So that's the Kojendo. See that brand there? There. Jeez, you know I'm from Chicago when I pronounce it, the TH like a D. So those are the pads. Yeah, we got, and then we also got something from them, like another box. It was something similar to like a micellar water, I believe. But I know I love the wipes. Like the whole wipe took all of my makeup off. It was amazing. So we get these pads. There's 10 of them in there. I'm gonna look them up because I like that. Oh, and if you get these for $15 on Macy's and then you have a $5 off coupon, you get them for $10. Something to think about. The next thing is fur washcloth, cleansing and softening, biodegradable cloth. For anywhere and everywhere, use one cloth to wipe down your body for an on-the-go cleanse and all-over moisture. These are great. These are fantastic, especially if you're running or going hiking or just going out or just in the car and you're sweaty, be nasty, and you have to run in somewhere. These cloths are great. And it says each biodegradable cloth is infused with essential waters and first signature oil to soften your skin. Anyway, it doesn't tell me a price for them. It just says online only. No shower or rinsing needed. And then I got this, but this is this not in here? This one's not in here. Nope. So this might be extra. I guess this is extra. This is a muslin face cloth. Oh, these are actually kind of nice. Soak muslin cloth in warm water, wring out excess water, and place your favorite cleanser. So number 7 from I get it from Walgreens. There's a cleanser, and it comes with a muslin cloth. And what you do is you soak this in the hottest water possible that your face can tolerate. Well, at least for this product, for number 7, what you do is you take this cloth, you put it under hot water or real warm water. I like hot water because by the time you put it on your face, it gets cool off. And you put it in warm water, you put it in hot water, and you wring it out. And then you put this product, like you put a cleanser on, some mask or cleanser, and then you would put this like right on top of your face, and it helps. Like, it's just like a warm cloth over your face type deal, but it feels good. Or you can use it to cleanse your face. So you put warm water in it, maybe you put this cleanser on it, and you wash your face. And it's very good, and it's reusable, and you can use it over and over again, and you don't have to like throw it out. You just wash it with like a Woolite or I use this white bar from Mexico. What is it called? Oh shoot, it's a white, I forgot what it's called. If you know, let me know in the comment section. But it's a white bar. I use it to wash my brushes with it too. So there's like no perfumes, no nothing. But that's actually pretty good. So it's 100% cotton. It is a cloth. They actually gave us a lot of nice things. Like this. So we got the muslin face cloth. We got the LMS Superfood Facial Wash. I think one of the boxes came a mask. We get the Origins Plant-Scriptions Anti-Aging Power Serum. That's 3 items. We got the Bare Minerals powder. We got the primer. So we got 1, 2, 3, wait, can't even count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we got the fur washcloth, and 7 on the Cogendo pads, which I'm gonna look into them because I really love their wipes. Their wipes are really super expensive, but you know, these are nice. So that's everything I got in my Macy's box. Let me know in the comment section down below. What did you like? What was your favorite? And if this is something you get or something you would like to try maybe in the following months. Like I said, it used to come with the makeup bag. They stopped giving out the makeup bag. I guess in a sense I kind of like the fact that they didn't give me a makeup bag because I just collect them. But if they're going to give me quality stuff, like replace the bag with 2 items of quality things that I can use, even better. I prefer that than the little bag that they would give us. So that's everything in our Macy's box. Comment down below, and thank you all for being here. Thank you all for your wonderful support. I truly, truly appreciate it. I love you all so much. Thank you. And until next time, hasta laterz.